In this video, I will be showing you how to navigate through Photoshop. First, let's open Photoshop. When I open Photoshop, I am greeted with this screen. But don't worry if your screen is slightly different. The welcome page changes with each update. Now, let's try opening a photo. To do so, click the File button here and click Open. To select the photo you want, navigate to the folder you're storing the photo in and double-click on it. Afterwards, you should see this screen. In the left-hand corner, you will see this vertical list of tools. You'll be using these tools very often when editing your photos, and we'll be covering these individual tools in subsequent sections. To see the name of the tool, you can hover your mouse over each icon. You will see the name of the tool, such as this, which says Move Tool. In newer versions of Photoshop, there will also be a nice little animation to show you what the tool does. This little parenthesis at the side is a keyboard shortcut for this tool. So, for example, this tool here is the brush tool with the keyboard shortcut B. So when I click B on my keyboard, the brush tool will be activated. If you've noticed, there's also a small triangle on the bottom right corner of each icon. This triangle tells you that there are more options under each icon. All you have to do is to right-click on the tool, and you'll see many other available tools underneath to choose from. Photoshop groups related function tools together, and you can right-click to review them, and left-click to select the other tools just like the selected tool. Now, if I select the pencil tool, the icon will change to the pencil as well. If I want the brush tool back, I will just right-click and select the brush again. Now, let's move on to the top panel. The top panel will consist of options which change depending on the tool you selected. For example, if I were to select the brush tool, I will see the brush settings on top here. If I were to select the Move tool instead, I will see the Move tool settings over here. On the right, you will see various windows. However, you are only going to use this layer window over here most of the time. Note that your window may be slightly different from mine, and that is perfectly normal. You can customize what you want to see or hide by going to the Window tab over here. Selecting the windows over here by giving it a small tick will make it appear. To hide them, simply click the tick box. So, if you do not see a layer window you need, simply show this window under the Window menu. Alright, we've covered all you need to know about navigating through Photoshop. Do not get overwhelmed by the many options available. We will be discussing how you can use the tools as we go along the course.